Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. As you can see in this video, I'm trying to open up this bucket of butter. It's new, and just because I fixed my nails, I'm finding it so difficult to open it. I don't know who sent me message, as in I was on my own JJ. This nail was on its own JJ. I went to fix it. But however, I'm having fun today because today's video is a vlog, like a vlog and a tutorial combined. We're gonna start by cleaning up the shop. Like, this is real environmental, mopping things, cleaning, pushing everything to one side. As you can see, my mop is already there. I've actually been beating this margarine, and it's too damn soft and it's yellow in color. It's actually Tarona margarine, but I use Tarona a lot and I love it, but I don't know why this particular one is like this. It's still yellow, it's not going pale, and it's runny, as in very runny. I want it to be fluffy and not runny, and it's still yellow, like as if the weather is hot. Even when I was taking it out of the bucket, it was so soft. So I want to pop it into the freezer for a while so that I can beat it so that it turns pale. Yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do that. Share to somebody who needs this video. My channel is fun to watch. I'm just incorporating this vlog thing into my channel. Let's see how it goes. If you like this kind of video, please leave a comment below telling me if you like it. Then I'll be doing it from time to time, maybe once a month, aside from my tutorial. Now I'm sieving the icing sugar that I'm going to use. I actually have been chilling the butter in the freezer for a while, but it seems not to be getting any harder. So I don't know what to do, because what I know about margarine and butter is whenever it goes into a cold environment, it should solidify. I don't get. So, but this one is not getting any harder. I don't know why. I don't know if I bought the fake one, because the one I got the last time was directly from them, because I went for a cake exhibition. But this one was gotten from Lagos Island Market. I don't know if they now have adulterated, because it's supposed to harden up and it's not doing that. I don't know. Maybe because I'm getting impatient, because time is going and I have to make someone's cake. I think what I'm going to do now is I'm going to reduce the margarine and I'm going to add shortening. I'm going to take like half out, then do half shortening in, because I don't want to have a bad result, and I don't want to waste this. Maybe because I didn't buy from them directly, I got this one from the market, or maybe the heat it has been exposed to is just too much. As in, market now they'll put it under the sun, so I think that's what's happening here. So it needs to rest under a cold condition for a while. It's quite better now after I added shortening to it. The consistency is better, and it's paler in color, so it's better to work with now. So when you're having this issue, especially when you're using Tarona margarine, add shortening to it. I feel that's the solution. So today's video is just going to be me showing you my struggles, a day in my life, and it's not going to be, there's nothing like censoring some things or trying to cover any brand, or no. I'm going to be showing you how my day goes. I'm going to be showing you my day-to-day activity, not day-to-day, how the day goes so far, and I'm done sieving the icing sugar. Then this is the butter. I love the consistency now. It's good. I had to add shortening. In case you don't know what shortening is, some people call it Crisco. There's a brand called Crisco, but the name for it is called shortening. So I had to add shortening, so it gave me this paler consistency. Right now I want to decorate a cake, but if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, share my video, and any video of mine that you feel is appealing to your audience, you can share it to them. I would really appreciate. And I'm going to start by decorating this cake. I divided it into two with my leveler to have a very clean, straight leveling. As in, if you want flawless leveling, you can't get it wrong with that leveler because it has numbers by the side. So I like to put whipped cream in the middle of my cake, depending on the preference of the customer. I don't charge them for it. It's just me being extra. This is a budget friendly cake, and it's quite affordable. So the customer requested for a chocolate cake, so I, instead of just using buttercream all through, I just like to be extra by putting a little bit of whipped cream. And the customer was very specific that she doesn't want so much icing, but there's no way I'm going to decorate this thing that I wouldn't use icing. Like it's just going to be a cake, just a cake. So I just did something simple. It was very obvious the customer didn't want so much design, like, because the person just wanted cake. It should just be pink and cream. So normally I just make a batch of whipped cream and keep it in the freezer. When making whipped cream, I use water that has block inside of it so that it will be super cold, especially when I don't have time to keep popping it into the freezer for it to solidify before I whip it. So that's what I do, so for me to have a stable whipped cream. So I'm done making the whipped cream. I'm going to put it in this container and store in the freezer for subsequent cake that I'll be making in the future. I just finished washing my hands, so I'm cleaning it up. Now I'm ready to decorate this. Before I started piping this frosting to the side, I had to pop the crumb coat into the chiller for it to be stable a little bit. Then I started my decoration. So this is not a very detailed kind of decoration you get. It's just me just freestyling. No. If you want a more detailed tutorial on how to decorate a cake, I think you should leave a comment at the comment section, and I would find time to do that for you. As some of you also know, I still do my 9 to 5 and I still do my baking. See, I'm a superwoman and I'm about to break down. That's the truth. This is a vlog, so I can actually express myself. It's not like my other kind of videos you get. So thank God for Easter. Happy Easter, everyone. Yeah, thank God for Easter. I was able to make these videos. I've not been able to make videos in the last 3 weeks, and I'm very sorry for that. Duty calls, work calls, wifey duty calls, everything calls, family calls. Ha! Ninja. So I'm done with the cake. This is the look. This is the top view. I'm just going to put a little bit of sprinkles at the top because it's for a girl, so I can afford to play with sprinkles at this point. Yeah, it's not like a boy's cake that you're very scared to do any kind of decoration you get, except it's a cartoon themed kind of cake you get. So I put a little bit of sprinkles by the side. This camera is not really doing justice to this cake, but this cake is quite beautiful, simple, straight to the point, and just there. And the customer was actually happy after saying, I don't want any icing on it, just small, just tiny. She liked it. So this is the end result. So move to cake number 2. This cake number 2 is a 3-layer cake. As you can see, I'm already leveling it at the top, and the balloon is the bubble is in the middle, so that means the cake is straight, but not totally straight though, but it's good. Now I'm going to crumb coat it. If you crumb coating is like the foundation of any cake. If you get a crumb coating wrong, no matter what you have in mind to do, is going to destroy your plans. Get it? So if you don't crumb coat your cake very well, perfectly, then it's going to spoil the shape of your cake. It make you struggle when you're trying to frost it, especially if it's buttercream. You can as well use frosting to fill it up, do bricklayer work small. But if it's fondant, man, you gotta get it right. If not, your cake will be shapeless. So I'm gonna add a little bit of black to my concrete color. Since it's for an elderly person, so I just thought doing blue won't do it for an elderly person, so I needed to do something very abstract, very concrete, very concrete. So I added black to it. I was supposed to add a little bit of cream or white, but I just felt no, let me not be too extra. So at this stage I didn't know what to do anymore, so I decided I'll do abracadabra, abstract. I become an artist, no, a painter, and just paint rubbish on the front and put some gold and gold at the top, at the fence of the concrete, and I'm good. And it's beautiful. Everybody is happy, and the customer was very very happy when she saw our cake. And I did the sugar seal, quick one, half recipe, and put black ivory and some gold in it, and voila, that's the end of the cake. Thank you for watching. Do have a lovely day. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye for now. Mwah.